God forbid, Batty. God forbid, Batty. If I'm looking for who you want to put in trouble, I reject you. Now that my life is better, you want to come and destroy it again. I don't even know how they even was able to see me. Eh? Hey, thank God I was fast enough to escape. Oh. Ha! Ha! I don't even know how they saw me. Thank God though. God forbid. Now that I've changed location, you want to come and put me back to square one, God forbid.
Who is she? Why does it feel as if everything about my being needs her? Why did she run? Now she's supposed to be at Umozome Kingdom. What is she doing here? Gosh, I need answers. Stop, sir. Good evening, sir. What?
Sorry, I've been waiting for you to come back so that I can lock the door.
So what?
What is going on here? Am I not talking to human beings? I said, what's happening here?
Don't push me.
I was waiting for him to come back so that I can lock the door.
So, what happened?
When he came, I said I felt...
You felt what?
Nothing.
Oh, don't be stupid.
He started touching my leg. God Almighty, please. God, please. I don't want this to cause problem. Why would this man be touching my leg? He's blind. He doesn't know that this way leads to his room. Did he have something else?
Allow me to have peace of mind in my own house.
What's your problem? That's because you're a shameless man.
What's the problem?
Have peace in which house? Have peace where?
I don't know what you're doing. What's it too hard for you to understand? See, I was not just tipsy. I was drunk. It was in my drunken state. Understand me, please.
You were drunk. That you couldn't even recognize your own wife. Is that what you're telling me? Every night you go out with your bad friends, you drink yourself to stupor, you come back very late, misbehaving. Only Only God knows how many women you slept with out there.
Wait, where are all this coming from?
They are coming from the fact that you are an irresponsible, shameless ego. That is who you are.
You are a woman, you are doing too much.
Auntie, please, I'm begging you, forgive me, please. Please.
As for you, I don't want to return and meet you in my house. Have you heard me? I don't want to come back and meet you here.
She's not going anywhere. I said she's not going anywhere.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, by the time I get back, you will tell me whether it's you that owns this house or she's the owner of this house. Wait, let me come back.
She's not going anywhere. I said she's not going anywhere.
No problem. It's about you.
Look at this man.
What's your problem?
Look.
I'm sorry I'm causing problem in your house. Please, I'm sorry. Please, I don't want to cause more problem between you and your husband. Please, I'm sorry for all this problem. It was not my intention to cause problem in your home. I'm sorry.
It's not you. Just stand up. Useless man. You come and meet me here.
This is total unusual. From princess to palace maiden on this email. You have taught a royal growth. Ibeya wamebu a royal nileo.
Adeze! 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 She comes up.
Auntie Joy, thank you for everything you did for me. Thank you for bringing me into your house. I am very grateful for the little time I stayed with your family. You were such a nice person. God will bless you. Please, I wouldn't want my stay in your house to bring issues between you and your husband. I know you would still want me to stay, but your husband is no longer happy with me. Staying in your house is no longer safe for me. That is why I had to leave. I hope you meet this letter well. Thanks, Adeze.
This is total unusual. From princess to palace maiden on this email. You have taught a royal growth. Ibeya wamebu a royal nileo. Onebe. No one to cry.
What should I do now? Should I go back to the Reverend Father? Who will I tell him that sent me out? Hey, what will I tell him that led to the problem? This should be exposing Auntie Joy's husband unnecessarily. I am not sure she will like it. I can't pay her evil after what she did for me. I can't. What do I do now? What do I do now? Where do I go? Hey. I'm just so confused. I'm just so confused.
Cause the girls are not asleep. One day, they will wipe your tears away. Stop crying,
The doctor said you'll be discharged tomorrow. He said you're well enough now.
Yes, my son. I am
I'm fine now.
I'm glad. I'm glad that you feel better now. Guess what, Father?
What?
I made up with Princess Oma.
Oh.
She'll be coming to our palace tomorrow. We'll sit down and start plans towards our wedding.
Oh, this is good news. So happy to hear that. Son?
Yes, Father.
I'm so proud of you.
Thank you, Father.
Now my joy is full.
As your joy shall always be full.
It's, I'm proud of you.
I'm glad you're okay.
I'm fine now.
There she is, the future queen of Umuezemazi Kingdom.
That's me.
Beautiful princess of the royal household of Umozome. You of the lineage of Oranye dynasty. You are welcome.
Oh, my prince.
Welcome to my abode where you belong.
Thank you so much, my prince. Your words gladden my heart. Aww. It melts the innermost part of my being. Am I not lucky? Am I not lucky to have a charming prince like this young man here as my husband-to-be? I can't wait to be your wife. The future king of Umuezemazi. Most importantly, the king of my heart.
Oh.
Aww. He said, aww. Thank you so much, my king.
You're welcome. Please come in.
Sorry. More!
Yes, more.
Thank you. The door. You know, I really can't wait for that day. I can't wait for the D-Day. I mean, this has been my dream since childhood. Just me and you, riding on chariots. The villagers cheering, laughing and being envious of the beautiful love we share. And they will say unto me, here comes the beautiful ever Rogers, queen of Umuezemazi. Oh! This has been my dream since childhood. I am so excited. Oh my God.
It is quite exciting indeed.
Please.
You know, the people of Umozome and Umuezemazi are about to witness the greatest wedding in the history of both kingdoms.
Oh, you are so intelligent.
We're about to make history.
Yes, we are. Oh, you're making me blush. Oh my goodness. You know what? Since I'm going to be the future queen of Umuezemazi, don't you think it's only proper for you to take me to the important places in your kingdom? I mean, I want to see everywhere.
You took it right out of my mouth because I was about to ask if you would like to take a walk.
Oh my God. You see, we are meant to be together.
I know, right?
What I think is what you think.
Shall we?
Definitely.
All right. Shall we?
Yes, we shall. Oh.
Let's go, my friend.
Thank you.
So excited to finally show you the great Omunwa River.
Oh my goodness.
We're almost there.
Oh really? I am super duper excited. You know, it's been my dream to see the Omunwa River the whole time. My father speaks so graciously about it.
Well, here we are.
Oh really?
Before you right here is the great Omunwa River, the ancient river of our people. Yes, I know, it's fascinating, isn't it?
Adaeze! Princess Oma! Princess Oma! Princess Oma! What? Adaeze!
Oh my goodness.
What is she doing here?
It's her. Hey! Wait! Adaeze! Wait! Adaeze! Adaeze! Adaeze!
Prince!
Adaeze! Hey! Wait there! You! Wait! Wait! Wait!
Adaeze! My God! That witch! That little witch! Run after them! Don't stand there staring at me! Run! Ah! Go back! Go back! You want to do what? You want to fight him? What will you do?
Adaeze! Where did she go? Which way did she take? Adaeze! Adaeze, why are you running? Why are you running from me? I don't want to hurt you. I just want to talk. Please. Adaeze! Why is she running from me? Why is she always running? Adaeze! Adaeze! Adaeze!
What's the meaning of that? What was that?
The meaning of what?
What do you mean the meaning of what? Like you did not hear me? What was the meaning of that? I was here with you and you ran after a common estranged maiden and you asked me what was what? Huh?
Look, Princess Oma, the truth is I need to talk to that girl. Okay? I don't know what it is about her. There's something about that girl. There's a connection I felt to her from the very first time I met her at your kingdom. And ever since then, I just don't understand. There's something about her. I need to find out who she is and why.
The only thing you do not understand is your personality. You parade yourself as a prince, but let me tell you, you are a princess. You've got no mind of your own. Do you know what? You disgust me.
Princess Oma.
What is it?
I can explain.
Don't. explain anything. And don't princess on me.
It's not what you think.
Let's go. I'll bring my shoes. My shoes. Oh. No one. Let's go. Nonsense. How do I eat?
Well, at least now I know her name is Daisy.
Hey. I don't know why I'm always running into trouble. What kind of a life is this one? Thank God I was not naked when they came up. I'm not going to go to that stream again and go and take my bath. I will not go there again. What am I supposed to do now? At the end of my life. Every I go there, pursue me.
You have succeeded, ruling her life. You made her
Daisy!
Walking from place
Daisy!
to place. Yeah.
Why did she run? Why does she always run?
Cause the girls are not asleep. One day, they will wipe your tears away. Stop crying, mama. Oh, where again, give us a run, you go, give us a cry too. Oh, where again, give us a run, no one to cry. Oh, you go, give us a run.
My princess, please understand what I'm saying. I'm not saying I want to make her my wife or my mistress. The connection I'm talking about, it's beyond the physical one. It's deeper than flesh and mind.
Enough! Enough of that nonsense! I don't want to hear you spit that rubbish to my face again. I mean, for goodness sake, how dare you? How dare you say such about a common palace maiden to my hearing? What is wrong with you? Don't you have any ounce of respect for me?
I do have respect
for you. No, you don't!
I do!
Oh, please.
The respect I have for you has nothing to do with what we're talking about here. It has nothing to do with her.
It's the spell. The spell is at work again.
What spell?
She cast a spell on you. The spell is still very much effective. Look at you. The spell is still at work. It's still very effective.
What are you talking about?
You need deliverance.
Deliverance from what?
Love, you need deliverance. The spell needs to be taken off completely.
You're not making any sense.
I am making sense. I know what I am saying. She cast a spell on you and it's...
No.
It's not gone.
No.
I thought it was gone. My love, you need deliverance. It needs to be taken away from you, I swear. This is it. That girl is a witch. I'm telling you. She cast a spell on you because I don't understand how a fine young man like you will come for a beautiful, outstanding, amazingly, beautifully created maiden like me. And all of a sudden, your focus was all on her. Don't you suspect anything? You know, I thought about this and I asked the palace guard to trail her. And this is it. Boom! There you go.
So, where is this exactly?
Her coven, of course. Her operational quarters. There.
I don't believe it.
What do you mean you don't believe it? Huh? Do I look like someone who can just fabricate lies like this?
That's not what I mean.
Now what do you mean? What exactly do you mean?
Come on.
Please. Please. You need to listen to all I am saying. Listen. This girl was banished and excommunicated from our kingdom because she is a witch. In my kingdom, we don't allow witches mingle with humans. I can't even tell how many lives this girl has taken. You have to believe me. I'll advise you tell your father to send her away. See to it that she's sent out of this kingdom before she causes more havoc here. I'm just trying to save you and the lives of your people. That's how kind and good I am. You have to believe me. There you go, you have to believe me. My love. Oh my goodness. Come here, baby. What is it?
Don't you think this is a gift you're supposed to give me on our wedding night? We're royalty. We're not supposed to defile ourselves before our wedding.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't think of it that way. You know, I like the sound of the wedding. I was actually carried away. I just wanted to have a bit of you, you know, as my husband to be, my king. Goodness, I just love the sound of our wedding. I mean, it just gives me this picture in my head. Yes, that night is going to be superb. Special. Very special. Oh my goodness. But you can hold me, right? Oh, please do. Hold me. Oh my goodness. Oh, I can't believe this. I mean, we're going to have a fairy tale wedding with horses, chariots and everything. Oh my God. And we're going to have beautiful kids. Cool, beautiful kids. They're going to have your nose. Oh, hold me closely. Oh, oh, the sound of my... Love, you're not sleeping. Wait a minute. Don't tell me you're thinking about that girl.
Thinking about what? Who?
What do you mean, what? What do you mean, who? You don't know who I am talking about? For goodness sake, a woman who is going to be your wife is lying right beside you. And you are here thinking about a common palace maiden? You know what? You disgust me.
Go. Think I'm gonna beg you?
What did you say? What did you say? I heard you. I heard your voice. I heard you.
Fine, sorry.
Oh, sorry for your little self. Exactly what I am saying. That's what I'm saying. We were having fun. We were talking, gisting, laughing, and then we decided to go on a walk. Exactly, mother. And then that witch just appeared from nowhere. I don't even know how she knew where we were. You know, she just has a way of finding her way in places that they didn't invite her to.
What?
Yes, she was at the stream.
You mean what you're telling me now?
Mother, he ran after her. He left me there and ran after her. Mother, can you believe that? Yes, Mother, yes.
Okay. It's alright. Yes, he is here with me. Yes.
Mom, listen. You need to talk to Dad. You need to tell him that that witch has resurfaced and that my wars has begun again. I'm telling you, Mother, you need to do something.
What did she say?
Who do we call this one again? Eh? That witch of your niece is roaming about Umezema's kingdom.
Deze.
Who else?
What happened?
Your daughter said they have been happy together since she arrived at the palace. Playing and catching fun with her husband-to-be. That things took a different turn when they decided to take a walk around the village and saw Adeze. Immediately they saw Adeze, Prince lost his mind again. That he even left her and ran after Adeze. From that moment, he has been thinking about Adeze. And that he has gone back to his hostile way of treatment to our daughter. Majesty, what do you mean by Please, Your Majesty, don't say this. Don't do this. Eh? Are you going to say only Is it not you again? Can't you do something about it? Please, you have to complete what you've started. Let us settle this matter once and for all so that everyone can rest. Please, do something, please. You just have to do something and do it very fast. I'm not finding it funny again. This is getting out of hand. Huh.
It's me. I'm brutal. No one can see my tongue.
Princess,
Yes, Father.
I thought you said you were willing to sacrifice your self-will to keep me alive and healthy.
Yes, I did.
Why is your queen leaving the palace and threatening never to return?
She's what?
What's going on here? Why is the driver not here yet? Go down! Go! Why are you standing close to me? Huh?
The last time I spoke to him on the phone, he said it's at Ikonyamara. He's closed, my princess.
Wait a minute. The driver actually wants to keep the princess waiting? Really? You know I hate you.
My love.
Who is your love? Huh? Who is your love? Your love is at Umumwa River. Go there and meet her there. That's where she is.
My love, please. Listen, I have thought about everything you have said. And I've come to the realization that you're right. I have been under a spell. A very, very big spell. But my eyes are open now and I can see clearly. And I want to promise you that I will do everything in my power to make you happy. I promise I will never think about her again. I promise. Pico.
Wait a minute. You promise?
I promise. With everything that is in my heart. Please, don't leave me in anger. Please, let's go back inside so we can sit and plan our wedding. It's just in 2 weeks.
Really? Come here! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, this is so great. Okay, it's fine. Let's go inside.
Okay.
Smile! Smile! Tell the driver not to come anymore.
Wait.
You mean she left your house since and you did not tell me?
Father, I thought she came back to the church. I've searched for her severally in the mats, but didn't see her before you called.
I have not been seeing her in the masses, and she has stopped coming to the sanctuary clinic. But I used to see you and your husband steady. That is why I decided to ask.
Father, she left too. I woke up one morning, calling and searching for her. I didn't know she has left. I met a written note that she left on the table before leaving.
And what was her reason for leaving?
Father, it's a long story.
A long story?
Yes, Father.
But where could she be now?
Father, only God knows.
But you people should have told me.
Father, we are sorry.
I am regretting letting my niece live. I ought to have killed her the time I killed her parents, but I let her live. Now I am saying that it was a great mistake.
What do you want me to do?
I want to go back to what the plan was initially. I want to do away with her. I want her dead.
Tobana ekiwarwa nene peki onekirire tobana ekiwarwa Ubo eze kwechetare na wonyoro wonyoro No death spell can work on her.
Why?
She has an altar where she communicates with the dead. A place where she communicates with her dead parents.
I know about the altar. What about it?
Any death spell you send to her must boomerang back to you.
Aqua uzekwage? Obuzekwage? There must be a way. There must be a way out of this.
Ibaba, Inene, Ibaba, Inene. Nene kweki onekirire tobana ekiwarwa. Nene kweki onekirire tobana ekiwarwa. Miroke. Okay, Miroke. Esana Miroke. I will send a death logo to her. As long as she bears the mark, anybody that sees her will feel an urge to kill her. Once the person succeeds in killing her, the person will free from the urge, but then he will regret his actions. But then the deed must have been done.
How does this one look? What do you think about this?
No, I don't like this.
What?
Don't worry. Let me select it for you.
This is a beautiful gold piece. How don't you like it?
No, don't worry. I prefer this.
Really?
Yes.
Mom, you realize it is my day.
Yes,
This is a special day. I mean, it's a one-in-a-lifetime thing. I just want the prince to see me and fall in love with me.
I understand.
You know, I actually thought this was going to suit better.
No. This tells more of royalty than this. Put it on first. Put it on. You sure? I am sure. Look at it.
Perfect. You sure?
Yes. You look so beautiful.
Mom. You know you're very good in making good choices.
Yeah.
And whatever you say, it is fine by me.
Now, let's go for
a matching earring, right?
A matching earring, yeah.
I love this. This actually looks like a cage to hold him, catch him down. I'm gonna rope him.
What is happening today? A lot of people are just dressed up as if today is Christmas. What is happening?
As if you don't know that the princess of this kingdom is getting married today to the prince of Umuezemazi kingdom.
Bia, is it today?
You don't know?
Hey, I didn't remember. Oh. Let's rush home and change. Nobody needs to meet this occasion.
I wasn't planning on missing it before.
Hey!
Let's go. Let's go.
What is holding in Joko? Huh? Time is going. I think we ask us to be there early enough. I don't know what is holding in Joko. Hey. Thank the gods that you are here.
Yes. I'm very sorry for the delay.
You know, today is the D-Day. Yes. And the history is about to mend. Yes. So, let's be going.
Yes, we will go. Manasna, when you need to go on a cockana, Anya, so, even now, what I want to appeal to you is that when we get there, please don't rush those free drinks so that you will not drink yourself to stupor like you did the last time.
Are you trying to insult me?
Just caution.
Gary or Dango? But let's be on the way now.
After you. After you now.
Oh, yes. Oh, he's here.
Odogu.
Hey, I bet you. It shall be well with you. Please sit and drink.
Today is the day.
Oh, yes, today is the day.
Let's keep driving. We are waiting for others to join.
Oh, you can say that again.
But drive with safety.
Yeah.
Oh. Your Majesty, they are here.
Oh.
Yes.
Yes.
This is the masquerade group that will go with us to our in-laws' place.
But only this. This was not the arrangement. We were supposed to bring, you know what I mean? You understand?
They are not the only one.
Okay.
2 Ogene group will be joining them, and also our women group.
Oh, very good then. But they have to hurry up and meet us now because any moment from now, we shall be leaving.
Exactly. I will inform them.
Yes.
My prince, you're not dressed yet.
Is it time yet?
Of course. Or did you want to keep your bride and her parents waiting?
I thought the arrangement was that all the cultural groups, singers, dancers, you know, the Ogene group and the masquerades will gather here and we'll all go in a long train.
Does it mean you're not hearing the noise from outside? This palace is full. Everybody is here. We're all waiting for you to come down so that the journey will begin.
I'm sorry, I didn't know. It's okay. I'll go get ready now. I'll be down shortly.
My prince, please. We are waiting for you, please.
I'll get ready now.
Please, my prince, please hurry up. We're waiting for you.
It's all right.
Please.
I'll be out right now.
You wish yourself good luck. You wish yourself success in a space of someone's life. You wish yourself success. You wish yourself good things in a space of someone's life. You can do all you wish to do.
Who are you? My name is Adeze. I came from... No, I'm looking for a work. I want to work. I'm looking for a job. Anything at all.
You? Yes! It is you!
Yes. No.
It's you!
Me? I don't understand. I don't get what...
You think I won't recognize you? I recognize you now, yes! It's you! It's you!
Madam, please, what's the meaning of this? Are you romancing me or holding me?
Romancing you.
Madam, I don't understand.
No, you will know.
Madam, I don't understand what you're saying. Stop now, please. I came here to look for a job.
You came to look. You get the job.
Give me the job.
Don't worry now. Keep quiet.
Which one is I should keep quiet? What is it? Madam, let me go now. This is no longer. Madam, you are matching me.
Hello?
You are matching me.
Hello, Ajibo? Yes.
Madam.
Yes. You know that girl that came to my shop the other day and stole all the phones?
Yes. Madam, leave me now. What kind of thing is this one now?
Yes. No, she cannot escape now. Yes.
Madam, free me.
She cannot escape. I'm with her. Just come here. You think I will not recognize this is the bag? This is the bag you were holding the other day. You are not going anywhere.
Stop all this nonsense. What is all this?
Today the camera has come.
Madam, leave me alone now. Madam, what is wrong with you?
You're not going anywhere.
Madam, stop this thing.
Okay, blow. Keep blowing. Keep blowing.
What blow? Then happens.
Your day has come. You want to look for a job. Yeah. See this one. What you have? Caesar.
Catch up! Where's that? Where's that?
They could not leave her when I try. Kill her. Idiot. See this bag. If not come back, now come collect the bag. Idiot.
I'm innocent.
She don't die. If fire, touch her body, she go wake up. Be like some friends defend. You don't know these people. You go do the deal in the house. And you can't enter her, man. Oh yeah. Light them. Where the lighter now? You don't get lighter. Upon all this, when you say why? Now you know, go find lighter now. They look good. From here, say where they come, find your way. Find your way from here. You will they come. Now you go follow me. Right, what's
going on? Are they here yet? Not yet. What is Prince Uche doing to me? Why is he doing this to me on our wedding day? He has plans with his father to embarrass me today, of all days. Maybe something must have happened today. Come. Keep dialing his number. Mother, his phone is switched off. Switched off, Mama. Hey!